How to sign up for a cash management account on Robinhood. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, simply search for robinhood.com. So Robinhood's cash management feature has been discontinued and is no longer available or supported. However, if you are interested in managing your cash and spending through Robinhood, you can sign up for Robinhood Cash Card, which offers a spending account with features like cashback, the ability to invest spare changes from your purchase. So, once you're inside the Robinhood official page, you'll then be able to find a sign up button, tap onto it, and once you're here, you want to go ahead and select your country. Once done, tap on continue, and just like that, you want to go ahead and enter your first name and last name as they appear on your government ID. Just like that, you want to go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction to create your account. Once you set up your account, you can start using Robinhood Cash for spending and investing. Also note that Robinhood Cash Card is available to US residents. And just like that, you'll then be able to do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.